Once upon a time.
Whoa, 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 whoa. No. No, we're not doing that. No. I don't know why you're into this, but we're stopping it right now. You should be ashamed of yourself.
Yeah, we've got this. Come on, Chas.
Once upon a time, a journalist interviewed a collision repairer, and they clicked right away. Within a short time, they became best friends, despite their many differences. Yet one thing they agreed upon
At least to some degree.
was that women in the industry were underrepresented and largely unseen.
One evening, the instructor called the journalist with an idea to create a magazine.
An idea the journalist had toyed with, but which felt too overwhelming. But
Together, they knew they could accomplish anything. And so, Gloss and Gritty was born. Chas and Jana realized that it's hard to be what you can't see. So they decided that they would profile women in every stage of their career journey, the collision disruptors.
they would celebrate the trailblazers who broke barriers, highlight the polished pros paving the path, and hold space for the primed up and comers who need to see what's possible.
But they knew it was important to address the entire woman, not just the industry pro. So they started listing topics to include things like uniforms that actually fit, safety concerns like VOCs, and a forum where industry veterans could share insights.
And they wanted to tackle the tough stuff no one talks about, everything from cramps to sexual harassment. The dream would only work if they were willing to make a full frame commitment to the women of the collision repair industry.
They promised to honor the duality of being a woman in collision repair and to celebrate the gloss finishes without ignoring the gritty realities.
To recognize that while women are just as skilled and capable as men, she's different. And those differences shouldn't be disregarded, they should be honored and celebrated. Often, those differences are her superpower.
And she is powerful, though it can be difficult to remember that when we don't get the support we need. Gloss and Gritty is designed to become a community for the collision disruptors to support and empower one another.
Just like the magazine's founders do for each other every day.
Are you tired of bending and breaking to fit into some antiquated idea of what it means to be a collision professional?
Are you ready to break that mold and build something new?
To build a better future for the entire industry?
We are too. Issue 1 is coming soon. Until then, stay glossed.
And stay gritty.